Today, I'll share 4-step blueprint that can boost your Wayfair sales by 2x or more. I exactly followed these 4 steps for this brand and you can see the result. Here we jump from 50k sales to 100k in just less than 2 months. And you can also achieve the same if you follow what I'm gonna share in this video. I found that many sellers keep the product detail fields when uploading products. Big mistake. Wayfair gives you extra fields like material type, warranty, weight limit, and more. They actually help your product show up more in the searches and filters. The more details you add, the easier it is for shoppers to find your product when they use filters like wood, metal, or comes with warranty. These things also work as back-end search terms. More details means more visibility, and more visibility means more people seeing your listing. Now let's talk about SEO. Wayfair's search algorithm got a big update for 2025. If your products are not showing up like they used to, this might be the reason. The algorithm now puts more weight on things like your product photos, how fast you ship, and how happy your customers are. Good visuals matter more than ever. Clear, high-quality images help your listing rank better. Fast shipping also gives your product a boost. So if you can deliver quickly, you're already ahead. And of course, great reviews and low return rates signal Wayfair that your listings can be trusted. Wayfair is also pushing sellers to focus on branded listings and rich product data. That means detailed title, accurate specs, and clean formatting. Now let's have a look at 2 listings. One have okay photo, just basic, plain pictures, and other one has bright, clear images with the product in a real room, like a cozy living room or a modern kitchen. And guess what? The second one gets way more clicks. Why? Because people want to see how the product will look in real life. You don't need white background in the main image like Amazon. Use high quality photos that shoppers can zoom in on, and lifestyle photos show the product in use. Also put key information like size, color, or materials on the image itself so they don't have to guess. Also add videos. Then comes content. When you write your product title or description, don't just name the product. Use words buyers actually search, like farmhouse style, space saving, or minimalist design. These are real phrases people type in and Wayfair's algorithm pays attention. One smart way to get more sales on Wayfair is by using bundles. That means selling products in sets, like a pack of 2 chairs, or adding something extra like chairs with a cushion, or give free shipping over a certain amount. And another thing is Wayfair loves fast shipping. Listings that say ship in 1 day get ranked higher. So if you can ship fast, do it. One great way to speed up things is using 3PL or third-party logistic warehouses near big cities. This helps you get your products to your customer quicker. Keep your lead time short. Delays hurt your seller score. The quicker you ship, the better your ranking and the happier your customer will be. It's a win-win. The second thing is WayMore Content. This feature enhances your product pages with high-quality graphical presentations similar to Amazon's A+ content. It helps make your listing stand out by showcasing your products in more detailed and visually appealing way, and that boosts your customer engagement. The best part is it's completely free. Studies show that WayMore Content can increase your conversion rate by 8% to 12%, which means more sales and higher profit. Make sure to follow the image requirements for each module regarding size, resolution, and type. Don't forget to enter module name and description. This thing works like alt text in your listing. The good news is we have been helping many Wayfair sellers to achieve success in their business. We provide full account management, optimize their content, create high quality images and videos, and run promotion. If you want our help, just call us or send an email. Another good news is, to qualify for WayMore Content, we have a high success record. We have a team of expert designers on our own. They can help you to make best WayMore content that converts. The third thing is Wayfair Verified Badge. This purple badge signals high quality products, helping you build trust and boost sales. To earn the badge, Wayfair review your product for customer reviews, low return rates, competitive pricing, and accurate listing. It increases the visibility, making your product easier to find and more likely to be purchased. Do you want to qualify for this badge? Then regularly audit your listings, keep your reviews positive, and work with your Wayfair partner manager. Now, strategy number 4. If you want to increase your sales very fast, run promotions. I know you don't have full control over the promotion, but if you go to the promotion page from Wayfair partner dashboard, you will see Wayfair is suggesting to run promotions for certain items. You can run promotions for major events, shopping holidays, or clearance. If your item is slow moving, then run a higher percentage of discount, like 15 or 25%. Many give 50% off for stock clearance. But if your item has decent amount of sales, then discounts like 5% or 10% motivates the shoppers very much. It's the quickest way to maximize sales. Here is a revenue comparison before and after we run a promotion for an item. Alright, these are the 4 steps, and if you follow them, you can see your sales rising in no time. Take a moment today to review your Wayfair listings and start using these hidden tactics to boost your sales. If you need help optimizing your Wayfair listings, feel free to email us at info@ecomclips.com. We are here to assist you anytime. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Keep growing your business with us.